Hello my friends of Hatari Labs, my name is Saul Montoya. Welcome to another tutorial. This time we are going to do a nice tutorial about how to cut a raster file on QGIS. Okay, here we have NDVI raster file that we have created in another tutorial. Please read the review of this video. Okay, and we wanted to cut it. Why we wanted to cut it? Because actually we want to do some processing on this raster, but this raster is huge. It's huge, based related to the process that we want. So in properties, we go to metadata, and the raster actually has 10,000 times 10,000 columns and rows. Okay, so it's huge, and actually this raster weighs how much megas? 471 megs. Okay, so if you want to cut it, yeah, it's quite easy. You can cut it in two ways. The most practical way is just to zoom. Let's see that this is the area that I want to know, and so I go to raster, and then I'm going to extraction, and then go to clipper, and then say, okay, I want to cut the NDVI. I want to do the NDVI cut. Okay, could be. And then I'm going to do it by selecting and drag on canvas. This is very, because actually I only have to select and actually recognize the system. Because the raster is in UTM, so I actually recognize this as the coordinates. Okay, cool. You have to be very careful, because when you are dealing with rasters, the coordinates of the mask and the coordinate, if you are using a mask layer as well, the coordinate of this shapefile has to be this on the same source of system of reference. Okay, cool. So I do this, and I just said okay, and I just press OK, and it's finished. And with this I have already cut my raster in the extension that I wanted. Okay, however, you can do it on a second you can do it with a second option by using a shapefile. Okay, if you wanted to do it by using a shapefile, I'm going to do a small process here that you don't have to do it, because actually you will use your own shapefile. But I use polygon from layer extend, and polygon, no, it's actually because I want a shapefile of this extension. Yeah, because I am a little bit lazy today. Okay, the input layer, okay, raster, cool. No. Okay, I will do a polygon. Let's say new shapefile. I'm going to do a polygon. I am doing this has to be the same source of coordinates, no attributes. Okay, cool. And this is polygon of raster. Okay, save it, and I edit it and add a feature. Cool, and I will be here. Okay, and then this will be my first ID. Okay, that's it. And then I have a polygon. I put save, and this is my polygon where I'm going to put my raster. So let me quit this. Let me take out this field, because actually I don't simple fill style, no brush. Okay, because actually I don't want. Okay, cool. And then here I'm going to cut my raster to this extension. This can be horizontal and this can be vertical, but however, this is going just to show you the principle. So I'm going to vector raster, and then here I'm going to do a clipper, and it's the NDVI, but and this is the NDVI cat 2. Okay, cool. But here, instead of doing this, of selecting some area, I'm going to use a mask layer that will be the polygon of the raster. Okay, and here this is a new option that you have to sign up because you want to crop. I mean that you want to get rid of the whole extension of the raster, and then you just want to have what is inside the polygon. Otherwise, it will give you what is inside the polygon, and on the other extension it will create a null raster. Okay, so keep the resolution of the raster of the input. That's great. And okay, we say okay. Okay, and this as well, if you have seen, it has created a polygon on the same station as the layer. Okay, so this was a very fast, quick tutorial, and very concise about how to cut raster layers with QGIS, and this is done with NDVI files. And what else? We are Hatari. I am from Hatari Labs. Hatari Labs is a blog dedicated to knowledge sharing of open source software in water resources. We have a lot of tutorials on QGIS, Python, on Modflow, and other stuff. So we hope that you can find our tutorials interesting, and then you can follow us. We have an interesting newsletter where you can drop your email and you will receive a newsletter twice per week. And as well, we have a Facebook account and a Twitter account where you can follow us and get for our and to see our tutorials. And as well, you can follow us by signing up on this YouTube channel. Okay, my name is Saul Montoya from Hatari Labs, and it was a nice occasion to reach you, and I hope to see you in another tutorials. Please have a nice day. Bye bye.